Title: The Final Match, Game of Legends. Genre: action, drama, sports, fantasy. Synopsis: in a world where football is more than a sport, it's power, legends clash not on the pitch, but in a battle for control of the world's destiny. Scene 1, the rise of the villain. Dark clouds cover the stadium. The crowd roars, but the air feels heavy. Cristiano Ronaldo steps out from the shadows, dressed in a black suit with a silver 7 emblem glowing on his chest. Narrator: he once played for glory, now he plays for control. The game is his weapon. The world, his goal. Ronaldo, the villain. His ambition outgrew the pitch. After breaking every record, he decided to break the system. A mastermind strategist and power-hungry genius, he builds a league of villains called the Elites. Scene 2, the unexpected hero. A quiet studio in Argentina. Lionel Messi rehearses for a movie role. His calm presence and deep passion inspire those around him. But something calls him back to the pitch. Narrator: he walked away from football to become a storyteller. But some stories won't let you go. Messi, the actor. Turned hero. Retired from football, Messi has been making films about peace and teamwork. But when Ronaldo's league threatens world unity, Messi returns, not to play, but to lead. Scene 3, the rogue legends. In a neon-lit city, other legends are recruited. Zlatan Ibrahimovic, the rebel warrior. I am not part of the team, I am the team. Neymar, the illusionist master of trickery, using flashy moves and charm to distract and deceive. MbaPe, the speedster spy. Young and quick, he's on a secret mission to infiltrate Ronaldo's base. Modric and Kroos, the tactician's brain behind the strategy. They calculate every move like chess masters. Scene 4, the final showdown. In the center of a futuristic mega stadium, Messi stands across from Ronaldo. Not as players, as forces. Ronaldo: you were always the artist, but I'm the architect of victory. Messi: victory without soul is just domination. They clash, not just with kicks, but with ideals. The world watches. The pitch becomes a battlefield of truth versus ambition. Scene 5, the legend lives on. The dust settles, the scoreboard fades. The crowd is silent, then erupts. Peace returns, football is saved. For now. Narrator: they were more than players. They were legends. And legends never retire, they rise. Credits roll with dramatic music. The final match, Game of Legends, coming soon to your imagination.